Module 2. Lesson 3 ended on a judgment call. Conditional exchangeability works only if you adjust for every common cause of treatment and outcome. But which variables are those? With one confounder, severity, you can argue it in prose. Real data offers dozens of candidates: age, prior cholesterol, other diseases, the doctor's prescribing habits. Prose collapses. The field's answer is a drawing, a causal diagram. Draw your assumptions before your conclusions. The drawing is called a DAG, a directed acyclic graph, 3 ingredients. Nodes are variables: the pill, the heart attack, severity. Arrows mean this may directly cause that, and no loops, causes come before effects. Now, the part everyone gets backwards. An arrow you draw is a weak claim. A direct effect is possible. An arrow you leave out is the strong claim, no direct effect at all. Exactly 0. So when you read someone's DAG, audit the absences. One more thing, a DAG is causal, not statistical. Arrows have direction. No correlation matrix can tell you which way they point. Every DAG, however big, is built from 3 small patterns. Pattern 1, the chain. Pill to lower cholesterol to fewer heart attacks. Association flows along a chain, and that flow is the causal effect itself. The signal. Pattern 2, the fork. Severity points at both the pill and the heart attack. Association flows here too, but this flow is the imposter. A fork is confounding, drawn. Pattern 3, the collider. 2 arrows crash head-on into one node. Here, the path is blocked. Nothing flows. Remember the defaults. Chains and forks are open, colliders are closed. Now classify every path between treatment and outcome. The causal path follows the arrows forward, pill to heart attack. That is the thing you are trying to measure. Every other path connecting them is a backdoor path. It always starts with an arrow pointing into treatment. Pill, back to severity, forward to heart attack, association sneaking in through the back door. And here is the translation between lessons. An open backdoor path is confounding, is a failure of exchangeability. 3 names, 1 picture. The repair is mechanical. Close every back door. Leave the causal path alone. Here is the rule, due to Pearl. A set of variables is a valid adjustment set if 2 things hold. 1, it blocks every backdoor path. 2, it contains nothing downstream of treatment. No descendants. Let's run it on the pill question. Severity points at pill and at heart attack. Open back door, block it. Age points at both too. Second back door, block it. And the pill causes muscle aches. Remember Maria. Aches sit downstream of treatment and lead nowhere near the outcome. Rule 2 says, leave them out. The adjustment set is severity and age. Not 40 covariates, just in case. 2 variables and a graph that says why. And one more gift. The graph is a public argument. A reviewer cannot fight, we adjusted for 40 things. A reviewer can fight a missing arrow. That is progress. Your homework, go to DAGitty.net, draw the pill DAG, and let it compute the adjustment set for you. Then draw your own question. Next time, the dark side, how adjusting for the wrong variable manufactures bias out of thin air. See you in Lesson 6.